Hello, we are Group 17. In this video, we will explain about NKT cells. In this video, 1. Definition of NKT cells. 2. Structure and characteristic of NKT cells and how they mature. 3. How NKT cells are activated. 4. How NKT cells work in the body. These 4 topics are explained. What are NKT cells? First of all, I will try to define NKT cells, a type of T cells, a subgroup of which has characteristics of both T cells and NK cells described in 1986 by Katz, Taniguchi. They are considered the fourth lymphocyte after T cell, B cell, and NK cells. NKT cells also make up about half of the T cell population in the liver and bone marrow. They are activated by the recognition of glycolipid antigens and produce a wide variety of cytokines, inducing both activating and suppressive immune responses. The structure of NKT cells is described next. While T cells and B cells express many types of receptor on their cell surface, NKT cells express only one type of T cell receptor, which is structurally unique in that it has very little diversity. Another feature is that the T cell receptor on NKT cells recognizes glycolipids presented on CD1D molecules as antigens, whereas normal T cells receptor recognize peptides presented on measure histocompatibility antigen molecule as antigens. In addition, the majority of NKT cells are differentiated from pre-T cells prior to the DP stage. The remaining NKT cells differentiate from the DP stage and are found in the biolymph nodes of the lungs and in the gastrointestinal tract. The next section describes how NKT cells are activated by TCR recognition of glycolipid presented on CD1D molecules on dendritic cells and B cells. As this recognition is a linkage recognition, antigen-presenting cells such as dendritic cells can also be activated in addition to NKT cells. Finally, how NKT cells work in the body is explained. NKT cells activated by antigen-presenting cells such as dendritic cells produce large amounts of cytokines, including interferon gamma and helper T1 type cytokines, which activate the innate immune system such as NK cells and the acquired immune system such as cytotoxic T cells. Cytokines such as IL-4 also promote the production of antibodies by B cells, while NKT cells produce IL-17 and are involved in inducing allergic inflammation and suppressing the development of non-allergic diseases. NKT cells can also induce cell death against cancer cells, but their direct toxic activity is limited due to their low abundance in the body. NKT cells can produce large amounts of cytokines without requiring clonal proliferation, which activates NK cells, T cells, and B cells. Their role is thought to be that of an adjuvant function. Activated NKT cells also produce immune memory stem cells against cancer cells, forming a long-term immune memory against cancer. Thank you for watching.